All right, guys, we are back with another crap strategy for you guys, okay? All right, we're not going to do crapless. We're going to be on a regular table, okay? Go ahead and reduce what we're starting with here. I got Sweet Pea here with you, me guys. Your favorite mascot. Sweet Pea is in the flesh. Hope everybody's having a great day. And we are good to go. We are good to go. I got some baked chicken in the oven. I'm so sorry for the table being really dirty. I wonder why the table's dirty. I wonder why. Could have something to do with this black cat. Probably should have done this before. But it's okay. Sweet Pea loves to lay on the table. It doesn't bother me. We're about due for a new mat eventually here, guys, soon, or a new cover. All right, so here's what I got for you today. This is what's going to be on the today's agenda, okay? For those of you guys that did not watch my updated Baccarat video, I'm giving a 2-for-1 for the holidays. Go to jimmymastery.com. You can get any crap strategy you want. Buy one, get one free, okay? Also, anything on the Baccarat, buy one, get one free for the training. You guys one of the people wanted me to give a Black Friday. I can't do that because I can't change the price because it's not for all the people who purchased. But if some of those people who purchased can go now and purchase something else and they'll get something for free. So that's fair. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead. This is what we're going to do today. Okay. We're going to focus on this inside and then we're going to go ahead and expand to the outside. Okay. Or you can do the opposite. You can do the outside in. Okay. I like to do, so basically the outside in is called outside. That's the name of my system. It's called outside, or you could call it outer space. Either one, outside in or inside out. It doesn't make a difference which one you want to expand to. So if you start with the 6-8, you can expand to the 5, 9, 10, and the 4. You can do it however you want to do it, okay? You can also throw a lay bet to reduce your risk as a hedge to some of the box numbers that you have. So we'll mix that up as well, okay? All right, here we go, guys. Here we go. 2. Okay, we have a 6. Will be the point. All right, and let's get started. So we'll go ahead and start with the outside, and we'll do the outside in first. Okay, here we go. 7. What a great start. All right, we'll give them one black chip. Okay? We will be off on the come out. Sweet Pea, really? You going to stay there, buddy? Guys, you have no idea how amazing this cat is. This is one of the most special cats I've ever been with in my entire life. This cat is unbelievable. The sweetest, most loving cat you will ever meet. He's so sweet. That's why I call him Sweet Pea. He's just unbelievable cat. Just an amazing cat. All right, so what the heck? 2 7s in a row after the point is established, okay? That is not good. So we're going to go another black unit here, okay? All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to eliminate the 4, and we're going to go with a hedge now, okay? So I'm going to go 2 black, no 4. We're going to go 70 or 3 green, okay, 3 green. And now we just have the 5, the 9, and the 10 right now. Okay, these are going to be off. No, let's work. Let's work. We're going to work. Here we go. 6. Okay, here we go. 6. Okay, we're going to work. We're going to work. Sweet pea, why are you trying to attack Daddy? All right, we were working. We got one black unit back. That's good. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to put that on the 6, because that 6 seems to be hot right now. Okay, so this is the point. Okay, here we go, guys. 8. We don't have an 8. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Very high ratio right now of the 7s. So we're only going to get that guy back, but we're going to lose all this. So far, not that great. So what we'll do is we'll work with the no 4 on the come out. 5. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go with the inside out. Outside in is not working. We're going to go with the inside out. Okay? So we'll go ahead and go here, here, just like this. That is what we want. Here we go. 9. 11. Oh no. Boy, I tell you what, I don't think we could start any worse. What do you think, Sweet Pea? I don't think we could start any worse. All right, let's go right back on it. We're going to bring these guys up another unit. All right, so we got 2 black units. Okay, here we go. There's a 10. 11. 6, there we go. All right, that's a nice little hit. We'll go two black and 2 green, okay? All right, so with that right there, we're gonna go ahead and put 2 there on the 5, and we'll put the 2 green on the 10. So we're inside out now, okay? Here we go. Oh my goodness. This is going so horrible. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm going to go up to 3 black. Here comes the come out. 8. Okay, I'm going to go 1 black on the 10, 1 black on the 5, and 1 black on the 9. We're going to go outside in. 4. Holy crap. Holy schmoly, Batman. All right, so right now, the lay is not working at all. And you know what's so funny? I played the lay the other day and it did not work. It was the same thing. I was just picking them off left and right. So I'm not going to replace the lay. Instead, I'm going to just go with a unit on the 4. Here we go. 6. No help. 2. 7. What is that, 4 black? All right, we're going to give them 4 black. We're going to be off on the come out. I'm going to bump those guys up, but we are off on the come out, okay? 9. All right, we're going to work. 5. Okay, that'll be 2 black, 3 green, 1 red. We're going to put it 2 black, 2 green on that 8, going from the outside in. Oh my Lord. This is kind of crazy how this game works sometimes, man. It's very weird how you can get into these losing streaks on this game, and it just feels like it's impossible to be successful. It almost feels like it's rigged. You know, it's so crazy. All right, there's a 4. All right, so we're gonna go 3, 3, 3, and 3. Here we go. 4 is the point, by the way. Okay, so that's a 5, 3, 8. We don't have the inside right now. 10, that's a good one. Boy, did we need that. Boy, did we need that. All right. We're going to go ahead and do 3 and 3. Okay, here we go. 8. Okay, that will be 3, 2. We're going to rack that. 10. We're going to rack that. 11. 9. 6, 3, 9. Okay, that'll be 4. 2 green and 2 red. Let me make sure. 280, 380, 4, no, one green. What did I say? 2 red, yeah. Be 4 black and 4 red. We'll give them 1 red. There we go. Okay, we're gonna rack that. Okay, 1 more and then we're gonna reduce. 11. 3. I hate these wasted rolls. That's why I like the crapless table. 10. What a good one. What a good one. Okay, we're going to reduce a unit off every one of them. Okay, here we go. 6. 2. We'll just go 1 green. Rack it up. 8. 1. 2 black. A green. All right. Okay, let's reduce it. Let's rack this up real quick just to see where we're at. Oh, that's much better. I feel so much more comfortable now. That was going so bad, guys. That was going so bad. Wow, guys, we are way up. Wow. Just like that, guys. That's all she wrote. That's all she wrote right here. Hold on, let me get 1 green. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 black units were up right now. So we want to go ahead and come down, rack that up. We'll start with the outside and we'll work our way in. Okay, here we go. 10. Oh, boy, if we didn't pull down, we're on fire. All right, we'll add these. Looks like I got 4 more minutes. I'm gonna turn this timer off for my chicken because, to be honest with you, I know my chicken's not done yet. So there's no way that chicken is done. Okay, that'll be right here. Let's go ahead and add here. 8. Let's add here. 9. Let's add to the 4, 8, 3 units. We'll give them 1 red. We're going to rack that. 4, there we go. 1 black unit. Here we go. 8. Okay, 2 green, 4 red. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce. I'm going to come off of the inside. And we're good to go. 6, we don't have it. 5, we got that one. Okay, I'm going to give them 4 green for a black. And that way they can give me some, a little bit here. We'll go here and here. Rack the 5 red. 4, 2 green. Let's put it all right here. We'll add 2 of our own here. 8, wow, how you like them apples? We're running hot now. Running hot now. We'll give them 4 green for 1 black. Okay, they'll give us 3 green for our 8. We'll give them 1 red. Okay, we're going to rack that. Here we go. 2. Buckle my shoe. Uh-oh, there's the bad boy. But we were prepared for it. We did a really good job. And we were going really bad. But we ended up getting that one good shooter that changed everything for us. So today's session, we're going to walk with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 black units, 1 red unit. There's another black unit. So we have 10 black units for today's session, okay? And that took about 17 minutes, okay? Just in time for my chicken baby. Everybody say bye to Sweet Pea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So that is a combination of the outside in or the inside out. The lays did not work for us. The lays did not work for us. If we didn't do the lay, we probably would have walked away with about 15 black instead of 10 black. Okay, guys, but sometimes the lays will help you. So you have to just see how the session's going for you and make an adjustment.